Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to do a jump, cross and turn. Now when you're jumping and crossing, make sure you don't end up over crossing because you may lose balance. So let's try it again. We're going to go jump, cross. Here you want to try and make sure that you're not lifting your leg or adjusting it anyway. If you lift it or adjust it in any way, this step goes wrong. So you go jump, cross, and without lifting your leg, you just turn. Jump, cross, and without lifting your leg, you just turn and come back into a neutral position. A variation to this you can do is pick your leg up and cross. Again, without lifting, turn. Lift your leg to cross, without lifting, turn. So the three things you're going to remember is no overcrossing. The second thing you're going to remember is not lifting your leg. And the third thing you're going to remember is coming back into a neutral position. Let's try the cross and turn on music. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.